Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to download Vimeo video on Chrome. So as you can see, there's no download option in any video. So what you need to do is go on Google Chrome extension and type on the search bar Vimeo video downloader from Vimeo. Now download this extension, video downloader for Vimeo, add to Chrome, click on add extension. Okay, now after downloading the extension, click on this puzzle icon right over here on the top. Now pin this extension, video downloader for Vimeo. Pin this. Now let's see if it's working or not. Click on this extension, click on refresh. Okay, it is saying try to play the video. If you can see, okay, it is working perfectly fine. As you can see, download option is there. So that's how you can download Vimeo video on Chrome.